For women who are uncomfortable working out around men, choose a gym that allows only women or has designated women-only areas. I'm Dr. Wright with a few tips to choose the best gym for you. Consider the location. It doesn't matter if you are thinking about joining the Taj Mahal of gyms. If it's not easily accessible, you won't go frequently. Think about how you like to exercise. Are you a class joiner, a spinner, a lap swimmer? Your gym should have a wide variety of activities that you like to do. Is it well equipped? Make sure the gym has adequate numbers of solo cardio machines and weight equipment so you won't have to wait forever to do your workout. Is it clean? Run your finger along the equipment. If it's dirty or sticky, beware. Try it on for size. Most gyms give potential members weekly passes to try the place out. For women who are uncomfortable working out around men, choose a gym that allows only women or has designated women-only areas. And look at the hours of operation. It should be open when you want to work out, whether that's early on weekday mornings or late in the evening on weekends.